Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the simplifying radical without calculator. So here we use the division method. Uh, we simplify the radical 20. So here radical 20 without calculator. Here we write the 20 and write the division method. Okay, here we choose the perfect square number nearest to 20. So here we choose the 4 for the 16. It means 4 times we give the table on 20. 16 here remaining of 20 minus 16 is 4. Okay, and here 4 plus 4 is 4 plus 4 8. So here when we choose the any number from this place and multiply this number to this total number. Okay, so if we place the 1, so also this number is less from this, so we place the here 0 and here the point. Okay, and also this number less from this, so here we place the second 0. Okay, and after we place the here 4 and multiply with 4. Okay, and when we multiply with 4 84. Okay, then our answer is 336, and we multiply 4 times, so here we write the 4. Okay, so 400 minus 336. Okay, so our answer is 64. And now we calculate the further. So here we write the double 0 and this number also 88, and here we place any number. So when we place the any number here, then this number is less from this, so we write 20, 1 this and 1 this, 20. And now we get the table, give the number 6 and multiply 886 into 6. Okay, then 6 5016. Okay, 5016 and remaining 1084. So this radical 20 is not a perfect square, so this answer is repeating. Okay, so here 4.46. So we get the answer radical 20 is 4.46. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video, and tell me in the comments, am I right teacher to teach you or not?